हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल नीट एनसीईआरटी बायोलॉजी। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे एनडीए अभ्यास मॉक टेस्ट नंबर 91 के क्वेश्चंस और उसके आंसर। ये वीडियो सिर्फ क्विक रिवीजन के लिए है। डिटेल वीडियो फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री एंड बायो का लिंक जो है आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा, वहाँ से आप क्लिक करके डिटेल वीडियो देख सकते हैं। ओके, एनडीए अभ्यास के सारे पीडीएफ अवेलेबल है विथ आंसर की। उसके लिए आप डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए व्हाट्सएप नंबर से कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं। यहाँ पे पहले स्टार्ट करेंगे बायो से, देना है केमिस्ट्री, उसके बाद फिजिक्स पे। अगर इस वीडियो क्वालिटी आपको लो लगे तो आप डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए वीडियो डर का जो लिंक है वहाँ से आप वीडियो डर एप्लीकेशन डाउनलोड कर ले, फिर वीएलसी मीडिया से चलाएंगे तो फुल स्क्रीन में आपका चलेगा हाई क्वालिटी में। ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट यहाँ बायो का है, हाउ मेनी पोस्ट meiotic mitotic divisions will be required to produce 100 zygotes in flowering plants? Answer will be C, 500. A pollen grain is formed by meiosis in pollen sac. It undergoes two mitotic divisions to form two male gametes. A megaspore is formed by meiosis in ovule. It undergoes three nuclear divisions to form embryo sac, which has the one egg cell. In flowering plants, double fertilization occurs. Thus, for formation one zygote, 5 meiotic divisions are required. Thus, for 100 zygotes, 500 meiotic divisions will be required. A gene has two alleles, capital B and a small b. Capital B is responsible for the expression of character X. A small b is responsible for the expression of character Y. B is completely dominant over a small b. Another gene capital A is epistatic on gene capital B. When A is the dominant condition, it suppresses the expression of capital B and small b and gives rise to character Z. In recessive condition, allele small a allows expression of capital B and small b. When an organism with genotype capital A small b capital A small a capital B small b is crossed with another organism with a genotype uh, capital A small b, और यहाँ पे जो है यहाँ पे करेक्शन होगा, कैपिटल ए स्मॉल ए और कैपिटल बी स्मॉल बी होगा। द रेशियो ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स एक्स वाई एंड जेड सेड इन द ऑफ स्प्रिंग इज, आंसर विल बी 3:1:12. ओके, read the following paragraph about an organism. These organisms are unicellular eukaryotes. Their body moves along decaying twigs and leaves, engulfing organic material under suitable conditions. They form an aggregation called plasmodium, which may grow and spread over several feet. During unfavorable conditions, the plasmodium differentiates and forms fruiting bodies bearing spores at their tips. Which of the following are in digit? Answer will be D, slime molds. ये क्वेश्चन रिपीटेड है. Mark the correct option about prosthetic group and coenzyme. ओके, तो यहाँ पे जो करेक्ट है यहाँ पे थर्ड है, सी होगा यानी थर्ड. ऑर्गेनिक प्रोस्थेटिक ग्रुप में यहाँ पे नेचर ऑर्गेनिक टाइटली बाइंड टू प्रोटीन पार्ट ऑफ द एंजाइम, और इसका जो नेचर है वो ऑर्गेनिक है कोएंजाइम का, और ट्रांजिएंट एसोसिएशन विथ प्रोटीन पार्ट ऑफ द एंजाइम. ओके, ये भी क्वेश्चन रिपीट कर चुका है इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन. Biocatalyst stage can be located in, answer will be D, uterus. Sorry, blastocyst stage can be located in, answer will be D, uterus. Cleavage is the repeated mitotic division of zygote to form a solid ball of cell called morula, which later changes into a hollow ball of cells called a blastula. The blastula gets attached to the uterus and is thus known as implantation. Sacred groups are seen in Sarguja, Chanda and Bastar areas in, answer will be A, मध्य प्रदेश. ये भी क्वेश्चन जो है वो रिपीट कर चुका है पिछले मॉक टेस्ट में. Which of the following statements are correct? First, PCR is now routinely used to detect HIV in suspected AIDS patient. Second, a single-stranded DNA or RNA tagged with a radioactive molecule probe is allowed to hybridize to its complementary DNA in a clone of cells, followed by detection using autoradiography. Third, ELISA is based on the principle of antigen-antibody interaction. Fourth, today transgenic models exist for many human diseases such as cancer, cystic fibrosis, rheumatoid arthritis and Alzheimer's. आंसर will be D 1, 2, 3 and 4 सारे जो हैं वो करेक्ट हैं. ओके. Which of the following is a correct statement? Answer will be recessive condition is expressed in homozygous condition only. Which of the following organisms will show a condition as depicted in the following diagram? Answer will be C. Albugo. Okay. The above diagram represents a separate sinusitic mycelium. It is found in Phycomycetes. Members of Phycomycetes are found in aquatic habitat and decaying wood in moist and damp places or as obligate parasites on plants. In a pea plant, the genotype capital R small r will be expressed as answer will be round seed with intermediate starch grain. यहाँ fill in the blanks है तो fill करके read कर लेंगे. As tetrad, as each cell of the sporogenous tissue is capable of giving rise to answer D, microspore tetrad. Mendel's law of independent assortment does not hold true for the genes that are located closely on answer will be A, same chromosome. Area of retina in human eye containing only cone cells is called answer will be D, fovea centralis. Seedless fruits are produced from answer will be C, unfertilized ovary. The SN generates an action potential which stimulates both the atria to undergo a simultaneous contraction and this is known as the answer will be the atrial systole. Which of the following associations fixes nitrogen through non-nodulation? Answer will be coralloid roots of cycas in association with Avena. Osmoreceptors in the body are activated by changes in answer will be D, all of these यानी body volume, uh, blood volume, body fluid volume or ionic concentration. Okay. Read the following statements. First, 51% of carbon is found dissolved in oceans. Second, the oceanic reservoir regulates the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Third, some amount of the fixed carbon is lost to sediments and removed from circulation. Fourth, carbon constitutes 49% of the dry weight of an organism and it is next only to water. तो यहाँ पे सेकेंड और थर्ड जो स्टेटमेंट है वो सही है और फर्स्ट और फोर्थ जो है वो फॉल्स है. ओके. The carbon cycle is a type of nutrient cycle where the carbon travels from the atmosphere to organism and earth and back to the atmosphere in various forms like carbon dioxide. From the total carbon content in the biosphere, 71% of it is found dissolved in oceans as oceans absorb a lot of carbon dioxide for photosynthesis by phytoplankton. The oceanic reservoir regulates the carbon dioxide content in the atmosphere via absorption and utilization from the total carbon available to organisms. Some amount of the fixed carbon gets lost as sediment forming rocks and removed from circulation. Decomposers contribute carbon substantially by their activity of processing waste and dead organic matter. It is found that carbon constitutes nearly 49% of the dry weight of an organism, which is next to water, which is approximately 70%. Liases catalyzed through answer will be a removal of groups from substrates by mechanisms other than hydrolysis, leaving double bonds. Species having exclusive areas of the geographical distribution are answer will be D, allopatric species. Which statements among the following are correct? First, the upper surface of the tongue has a small projections called papilla, some of which bear taste buds. तो ये बिल्कुल सही है. Second यहाँ पे the serosa is the innermost layer of the alimentary canal and is made up of thin mesothelium, epithelium of visceral organs with some connective tissue. तो ये हमारा गलत होगा. थर्ड यहाँ पे द लीवर इज द लार्जेस्ट ग्लैंड ऑफ द बॉडी वेइंग अबाउट 4.2 to 5 kg इन एन एडल्ट ह्यूमन. तो ये हमारा गलत होगा, इतना वेट नहीं होता है. फोर्थ यहाँ पे ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसेस ऑफ डाइजेशन द स्टोमक स्टोर्स द फूड फॉर 2 to 3 hours. तो ये हमारा सही है, यानी फर्स्ट और फोर्थ सही होगा. ओके, बाकी सारे गलत हैं. ह्यूमन ह्यूमन लीवर का जो वेट होता है 1.2 to 1.5 kg होते हैं. The extra volume of air that can be inspired forcibly after normal inspiration is answer will be D, inspiratory capacity. The steps that are associated with ATP formation during substrate level phosphorylation is answer will be D, all of these. यानी सक्सिनाइल को A2 सक्सिनिक एसिड 1,3 डाई PGA to 3 PGA और PEP2 पायरुवेट. ओके, इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन पहले रिपीट कर चुका है. Industrial melanism is in peppered moth occurred due to natural selection. The significant reason for this is answer will be C. Advantageous selection of black moth on trees is in polluted areas, resulting in increased population of black moths. यहाँ फिर इन द ब्लैंक्स तो फेल करके रीड कर लेंगे. In general, species diversity decrease as we move away from the equator towards the poles, and with very few exceptions, tropics harbor more species than temperate or polar areas. Answer will be B. यहाँ पे फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स है तो फिल करके रीड कर लेंगे. In 1963, two enzymes responsible for restricting the growth of bacteriophage in E. coli were isolated. They were methylase and restriction endonuclease. ओके, ये भी क्वेश्चन जो है पिछले मॉक टेस्ट में रिपीट कर चुका है. ओके, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Colchicine is obtained from answer will be B. Combs of Colchicum autumnale. फाइंड आउट द मिसमैच्ड पेयर. आंसर विल बी बी. सिस्टिक फाइब्रोसिस जो है वो ऑटोजोमल डोमिनेंट नहीं होते हैं. बाकी ए, सी और डी जो है सही है. हीमोफीलिया, सेक्स लिंक्ड रिसेसिव, डाउन सिंड्रोम ट्राइजोमी 21 और टर्नर सिंड्रोम एक्स लिंकेड. ओके, the chromosomal disorder occur when there is an addition or deletion of the chromosome in the individual. In the case of trisomy of 21st chromosome causes Down syndrome. Turner syndrome is a type of chromosomal disorder occurring due to loss of one X chromosome, resulting in the genotype as 44 plus X or 44 plus XO. Such females are characterized by stunted height and webbed neck. They are sterile as ovaries are rudimentary and lack secondary sexual characteristics. Hemophilia is an X-linked recessive blood disorder. In it, the individual has delayed clotting time for blood, which can be fatal. X-linked disorders are inherent disorders due to mutation in the X chromosome, which causes the phenotype to be always expressed in male and in female only in homozygous condition. Cystic fibrosis is a hereditary genetic autosomal recessive disorder of the respiratory system. It is caused due to mutation in CFTR gene. This condition occurs in an individual when both the alleles of uh, for CFTR are affected. The nervous system of Hydra consists of answer will be B, non-polarized nerve cells. Okay. Number of microsporangia in Dithecus antheri. Answer will be C, 4. Column 1 lists the parts of the human brain and column 2 lists the functions. Match the two columns and identify the correct choice from those given. Okay, तो यहाँ पे सेरेब्रम का एस होगा यानी कि सीट ऑफ इंटेलिजेंस। बी सेरिबेलम का टी यानी कि मेंटेन्स बॉडी पोस्चर। सी का पी यानी कि हाइपोथैलेमस का होगा कंट्रोल्स द पिट्यूटरी। और डी का क्यू यानी मिड ब्रेन का कंट्रोल्स विजन एंड हियरिंग। ओके, रिकॉग्नाइज द फिगर एंड फाइंड आउट द करेक्ट मैचिंग। आंसर विल बी सी। ए यहाँ पे जो है डिप्लोन्टिक लाइफ साइकिल को शो कर रहा है। बी हैप्लो डिप्लोन्टिक लाइफ साइकिल। सी यहाँ पे है हैप्लोन्टिक लाइफ साइकिल। What is false? Answer will be C. Menopause occurs at the beginning of puberty, तो ये हमारा गलत होगा। बाकी ए बी और डी जो है सही है। Menarche is the beginning of menstruation. Menstruation is the shedding of the endometrial lining, और ovulation occurs under a high titer of LH. Okay. यहाँ फिर इन द ब्लैंक्स तो फिल रीड करेंगे। नेकेड वॉललेस मल्टीन्यूक्लिएटेड एंड saprophytic organisms are grouped as। आंसर विल बी डी स्लाइम मोल्ड्स। Where will you look for the gametes of a malarial parasite? Answer will be D gut of infected female mosquito that can act as a vector for malaria parasite. If in a photosynthetic system H2O18 type is provided, what will be the type of oxygen released in the process? Answer will be A O18. The glomerular area of the adrenal cortex is mainly responsible for। Answer will be C water and electrolyte balance। यहाँ भी फिर इन द ब्लैंक्स तो फिल रीड कर लेंगे। In a mature dicot stem which has undergone secondary growth, the youngest layer of secondary xylem is situated। Answer C just inner to the vascular cambium। Eighth, ninth and 10th pair of ribs articulate with 7th rib with the help of hyaline cartilage। Answer B, इसीलिए उसे फर्स्ट रिब कहते हैं। In a unilocular ovary with a single ovule, the placentation is। Answer will be C basal placentation। प्लासेंटेशन के सारे ट्रिक आपको मिल जाएंगे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, वहाँ से आप सारे याद रख सकते हैं। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज आर कॉल्ड मॉर्निंग आफ्टर पिल्स। आंसर विल बी डी ऑल ऑफ दी यानी आई पील अनवांटेड 72 और पील 72। ओके, ribosomes are correctly characterized by which of the following statements? Answer will be C. They differ in response to antibiotics depending on whether they are eukaryotic or prokaryotic in origin. Which of the following is a wrong statement? Answer will be A. Ozone in the upper part of the atmosphere is harmful to animals। तो ये हमारा गलत है। बाकी बी सी और डी सही है। और एक क्वेश्चन जो है रिपीट कर चुका है। द ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट इज अ नेचुरल फेनोमेनन। यूट्रोफिकेशन इज अ नेचुरल फेनोमेनन इन फ्रेश वाटर बॉडीज। और मोस्ट ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट्स हैव बीन लॉस्ट इन ट्रॉपिकल एरियाज। मैच कॉलम 1 with column 2 and select the correct option from the codes given below। ओके, तो फर्स्ट यहाँ पे नाइट्रोजन होगा, उसका सी यानी कि रिंकलिंग ऑफ सीरियल ग्रेन्स। सेकेंड आयरन का होगा ए यानी कि इंटर वेनल क्लोरोसिस। थर्ड बोरोन का होगा फोर। थर्ड यहाँ बोरोन है, बोरोन का होगा बी यानी कि रोजेटिंग ऑफ लिप्स। और फोर्थ क्लोरीन का होगा डी यानी ब्रोंज कलर इन लिप्स। A virus that a virus which with ssDNA single strand DNA is discovered, its DNA is amplified by running 10 cycles of PCR. How many double stranded DNA strands will be formed at the end? Answer will be B 512। यहाँ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स तो फिल करके रीड कर लेंगे। आंसर होगा हमारा बी। इन सिकल सेल एनीमिया द शेप ऑफ आरबीसीज अंडर ऑक्सीजन टेंशन बिकम्स इलोंगेटेड एंड कर्व्ड। Increase in temperature by 2 degrees Celsius of scrotum will. Answer will be A. Reduce the fertility by impairment of spermatogenesis. Virus mediated transfer of DNA from one bacterium to another is called transduction. Which of these symptoms is associated with the hyposecretion of thyroid hormone? Answer will be A. Decreased pulse rate. The suction pressure of the cell is, आंसर will be C, इक्वल टू DPD। ओके, 50 क्वेश्चन हो गए हैं बायो के, 40 क्वेश्चन और बचे हैं, फटाफट देखते हैं बायो में। All of the following can be found in the female cockroach except, आंसर will be C, एनएल स्टाइल जो है वो केवल मेल कॉकरोच में होते हैं। ये भी क्वेश्चन रिपीट कर चुका है पिछले मॉक टेस्ट में। ड्यूरिंग विच फेज ऑफ द सेल साइकिल द अमाउंट ऑफ डीएनए इन अ सेल remains at 4C level if the initial amount is denoted as 2C? Answer will be D, G2 and M. Select the disease which is not an autoimmune disorder. Answer will be C, muscular dystrophy. A condition where the body's own immune system mistakenly attacks the body's cells tissue is called as autoimmune disorder. Myasthenia gravis, neuromuscular disorder where the skeletal muscle are weakened. Graves' disease, hyperthyroidism, overactive thyroid, rheumatoid arthritis, inflamed joints are type of autoimmune disorder. Muscular dystrophy is a genetic disorder which damages and weakens the muscles over time due to lack of protein dystrophin. The protein is necessary for normal function of the muscle। ये क्वेश्चन जो है नीट में आ चुका है। मैच कॉलम 1 विथ कॉलम 2 एंड सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन फ्रॉम द कोड्स गिवन बिलो। ओके, तो फर्स्ट यहाँ मोनेरा का होगा सेकेंड, यानी बैसिलस और ओसिलेटेरिया। सेकेंड यहाँ पे है प्रोटिस्टा का थर्ड होगा, यानी इगुलिना और ट्रीपैनोजोमा। थर्ड यहाँ फंजाई का होगा फोर, यानी म्यूकर और पेनिसिलियम। फोर यहाँ प्लांटी का होगा फर्स्ट, यानी क्लेमाइडोमोनास और सोलैनम। और फिफ्थ यहाँ लास्ट में है एनिमेलिया का होगा फिफ्थ ही, यानी फेलिस और पैंथेरा टिग्रिस से जो पैंथेरा हो। ओके, नेक्स्ट आते हैं। अ सिंगल स्टेप लार्ज म्यूटेशन इज कॉल्ड, आंसर विल बी बी, साल्टेशन। एक क्वेश्चन जो है पहले भी आ चुका है, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन रिपीट ही आ रहे हैं। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फिजियोलॉजिकल इफेक्ट्स इज काउज्ड इन प्लांट्स बाय जिबरेलिक एसिड? आंसर विल बी बी, elongation of genetically dwarf plants. Onion is propagated through, its answer will be B, bulb. Match the organisms with their excretory organs. तो फर्स्ट यहाँ ऑर्थवॉर्म है, तो ऑर्थवॉर्म का होगा आर, यानी नेफ्रीडिया। बी कॉकरोच का होगा यहाँ पे एस, यानी कि माल्पिगियन ट्यूब्यूस। सी रोटिफर्स का यहाँ पी होगा, यानी कि प्रोटोनेफ्रीडिया। और लास्ट डी का प्रॉन का होगा क्यू, यानी ग्रीन ग्लैंड्स। Which of the following pairs consists of false fruit? Answer will be D, all of these, यानी एप्पल एंड कैश्यू नट, पाइन एप्पल एंड मलबेरी और पियर एंड स्ट्रॉबेरी सारे जो हैं वो फॉल्स फ्रूट हैं। ओके, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कैन बी यूज्ड एज बायो weapon इन wars? Answer will be D, all of these, a pathogen, toxin from a pathogen or a delivery system for the bio weapon agent. The following diagrams are the age pyramids of different populations. Select the correct statements regarding the above. Answer will be B. B जो है यहाँ पे डायग्राम में, it is a bell shaped pyramid indicating stable population. Okay. तो यहाँ पे सारे डिटेल्स पे देख लेते हैं। यहाँ पे ए जो डायग्राम में है वो हमारा है एज पिरामिड हैविंग हायर पॉपुलेशन ऑफ प्री reproductive individuals, moderate number of reproductive individuals and low पोस्ट रिप्रोडक्टिव, यानी कि ये जो है एक्सपेंडिंग वन है। और सी यहाँ पे जो है, यहाँ पे सी है डिमिनिशिंग, और बी यहाँ पे बेल शेप्ड है। ओके, जो एनसीईआरटी में उसी को इस तरफ से बनाया गया है। ठीक है। primates called Dryopithecus and Ramethicus existed nearly. Answer will be B, 15 million years ago. Which of the following is closest to the plasma membrane? Answer will be D, secondary cell wall. Which of the following is correct about Atropa belladonna? Answer will be B, family Solanaceae, plant type hallucinogenic type. How many of the following statements are true? First, 6 turn of bDNA has 120 nucleotides. Second, in prokaryotes, gene regulation generally occurs at transcriptional level. Third, operon concept was given by Jacob and Monod while working on yeast. The enzyme required for peptide chain synthesis is a ribosome in bacteria and lies in 50S subunit. Fifth, a small segment of RNA synthesized during replication of DNA is Okazaki segment. आंसर यहाँ जो है वो तीन स्टेट में यहाँ पे सही है। ओके, फाइंड द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट। तो आंसर विल बी डी, इलास्टिक cartilage is present in the tip of our nose. The main cause of extinction of species from tropical areas is, answer will be B, deforestation. Which one of the following statements about all the four of Spongilla, leech, dolphin and penguin is correct? Answer will be C. Spongilla has special colored cells called conocytes, not found in the remaining three. After a significant reduction in BOD of wastewater, it is passed into a settling tank where bacterial flocks are allowed to sediment. This sediment is called, answer will be B, activated sludge. Read the following statements and find out the incorrect statement. Okay. A. Mons pubis is a cushion of fatty tissue covered by skin and pubic hair. B. The labia minora are fleshy folds of tissues which extend down from the mons pubis and surround the vaginal opening only. C. The opening of the vagina is often covered partially by a membrane called the hymen. D. The clitoris lies at the upper junction of two labia majora above the urethral opening. E. The presence or absence of a hymen is a reliable indicator of virginity और सेक्सुअल एक्सपीरियंस। तो यहाँ पे इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट पूछ रहा है, तो यहाँ पे जो इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है वो बी, डी और ई है। ओके, यहाँ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स है तो फिर रीड कर लेंगे। क्वांटिटेटिव कंपैरिजंस बिटवीन द ग्रोथ ऑफ द लिविंग सिस्टम कैन बी मेड इन टू वेज। ओके, फर्स्ट, measurement and the comparison of total growth per unit time is called the absolute growth rate। और सेकेंड यहाँ पे है द ग्रोथ ऑफ द गिवन सिस्टम पर यूनिट टाइम expressed on a common basis, example per unit initial parameter is called relative growth rate। answer will be A। Which of the following gas in the atmosphere is not considered as a pollutant? Answer will be B, carbon dioxide। A protozoan reproduces by binary fission. What will be the number of protozoans in its population after 6 generations? Answer will be A, 64। Which of the following is not correct about acetabulum? Answer will be A, it is a part of pectoral girdle। तो ये हमारा गलत होगा, pelvic girdle का पार्ट होता है। बाकी B, C, D सही है। It articulates with the head of femur to form the hip joint। It is formed by the fusion of ilium, ischium and pubis। It is a part of pelvic girdle। The rate at which light energy is converted to the chemical energy of organic molecule is. Answer will be gross primary productivity. Which of the following statement is true for lymph? Answer will be B. All components of blood except RBCs and some proteins. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option from quotes given below. Okay, तो फर्स्ट यहाँ मेरिस्टेम का होगा थर्ड यानी कि एक्टिवली डिवाइडिंग सेल। सेकेंड पेरेनकाइमा का होगा फर्स्ट फोटोसिंथेसिस एंड स्टोरेज। थर्ड कोलेनकाइमा का होगा सेकेंड यानी लिविंग मैकेनिकल टिश्यू। फोर्थ स्क्लेरेनकाइमा का होगा फिफ्थ स्क्लेराइड्स। और फिफ्थ इपिडर्मल टिश्यू का होगा फोर यानी स्टोमाटा जो है इपिडर्मल टिश्यू है। ओके, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स आर फॉल्स और ट्रू। ओके, फर्स्ट यहाँ पे कह रहा है कैल्सिटोनिन रेगुलेट्स द मेटाबॉलिज्म ऑफ कैल्शियम, बिल्कुल सही है। बी ऑक्सीटोसिन स्टिमुलेट्स कॉन्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ यूट्राइन मसल ड्यूरिंग बर्थ। ओके, तो ये भी बिल्कुल सही है। सी यहाँ पे कह रहा है ग्रेप्स डिजीज काउज्ड बाय माल फंक्शनिंग ऑफ एड्रिनल ग्लैंड, ये हमारा गलत हो जाएगा। एडीएच स्टिमुलेट्स द एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ वाटर एंड इंक्रीज यूरिन प्रोडक्शन, तो ये भी हमारा गलत हो जाएगा। ओके, ग्रेव्स डिजीज हाइपर थायरॉयडिज्म ओवर एक्टिव थायरॉयड इज an autoimmune disorder believed to be caused due to genetic and environmental factors. Elothrix and Sparrow-Gyra are. Answer will be C. Filamentous and unbranched. Which of these is a non-steroidal contraceptive pill? Answer will be C. Saheli. Chemi-osmotic theory of ATP synthesis in chloroplast and mitochondria is based on. Answer will be B. प्रोटोन ग्रेडियंट। ये भी क्वेश्चन रिपीटेड है। 10 क्वेश्चन और बचे हैं, 9 क्वेश्चन और बायो में, फटाफट देखते हैं। Which of the following is not a plastid? Answer will be D. एल्यूरोन। बाकी एल्यूरोप्लास्ट, क्रोमोप्लास्ट और क्लोरोप्लास्ट जो है वो सारे प्लास्टिड हैं। The most commonly used bioreactor is stirring type. The stirrer facilitates. Answer will be C. Oxygen availability. During somatic hybridization in plants, answer will be C. Cell wall and middle lamella are digested before fusing the cells. How much oxygen is supplied to tissues under normal physiological conditions by the oxygenated blood? Answer will be A. 5 ml per 100 ml of blood. 5 ml oxygen per 100 ml of blood. Okay. Pronuba moth is a specific pollinator of. Answer will be C. Yucca plant. GLUT4 is. Answer will be A protein which enables glucose transport in cells. Okay, ये भी क्वेश्चन जो है नीट में आ चुका है, रिपीटेड है। बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन रिपीटेड आ रहे हैं तो ज़्यादा फायदा है नहीं अब आगे का मॉक टेस्ट करने से। एक बार आप देख लो फिर भी ऐसा ही। यहाँ पे 88 क्वेश्चन नंबर है। प्रोफेज ए का होगा 4 यानी कि स्पिंडल फाइबर स्टार्ट्स अपियरिंग नियर द न्यूक्लियस। बी का थर्ड यानी कि मेटाफेज क्रोमोजोम्स कंप्लीट्स इट्स कंडेंसेशन। सी का 5 यानी कि एनाफेज का क्रोमोजोम्स एपियर वी एल जे एंड आई सेप्ड। डी का फर्स्ट यानी कि टेलोफेज का होगा न्यूक्लियोलस रीप एपियर्स। और ई साइटोकाइनेसिस का होगा सेकेंड यानी डिवीजन ऑफ क्लोरोप्लास्ट, सॉरी डिवीजन ऑफ प्रोटोप्लास्ट। Pyruvic acid, the key product of glycolysis, can have many metabolic fates. Under aerobic conditions, it form. Answer will be C. Acetyl CoA plus CO2. Repeated question से भी। Arrange the following in descending order of their size. ये भी रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन है। आंसर होगा डी। सबसे बड़ा डीएनए, देन एमआरएनए, देन आरआरएनए, उसके बाद टीआरएनए। ओके, ये सारे थे हमारे बायो क्वेश्चंस। वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना, नए वीडियो से प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर देना। अब आते हैं हम यहाँ केमिस्ट्री में। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द IUPAC नेम ऑफ दिस कंपाउंड क्या होगा? तो आंसर होगा ए, 2 क्लोरोप्रोपेन। Identify the correct statement. Answer will be A. Lead forms compounds in plus 2 oxidation state due to inert pair effect. Rank the following compounds in increasing order of their acidity. तो सबसे ज़्यादा हो वह जो है थर्ड एसिडिक होगा, यानी कि 2 फ्लोरोब्यूटेनोइक एसिड। उसके बाद फर्स्ट यानी 3 फ्लोरोब्यूटेनोइक एसिड, देन सेकेंड यानी 3 क्लोरोब्यूटेनोइक एसिड, उसके बाद फिफ्थ यानी 4 क्लोरोब्यूटेनोइक एसिड, और लास्ट में होगा ब्यूटेनोइक एसिड ड्यू टू माइनस आई इफेक्ट। Sodium and magnesium crystallizes in BCC and FCC crystal respectively. Then the number of atoms of sodium and magnesium presenting the unit cells of their respective crystal is. Answer will be D 2 and 4. Which acid makes iron passive? Answer will be B, fuming nitric acid. An element X which occurs in the second short period has an outer electronic structure S2P1. What are the formula and acid-base character of its oxides? Answer will be C, X2O3 amphoteric. The products obtained when benzyl phenyl ether is heated with HI in the mole ratio 1:1 are. Answer will be A 1 and 3 only, यानी कि फेनॉल और बेंजाइल आयोडाइड। ये भी क्वेश्चन जो है रिपीट कर चुका, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन रिपीटेड आ रहे हैं, ज़्यादा टेंशन लेने की जरूरत है नहीं। आइडेंटिफाई जेड, ठीक है, यहाँ पे एनिलीन है, CH3 और KO के साथ बना दो, वाई बढ़ रहा है, वाई को वहाँ HCl और H2O के साथ 300 केल्विन के साथ कर दो, जेड प्लस मिथेनोइक एसिड बढ़ रहा है। आंसर हमारा ए होगा, यानी कि फिर से हमारा जो है वो एनिलीन बन जाता है। ओके। Phenol reacts with bromine in carbon disulfide at a low temperature to give. Answer will be ortho and para bromophenol. The equation of a state corresponding to 8 gram of O2 is. Answer will be C, Pv equal to 0.25 RT. The process of heating the ore strongly in excess of air so that the volatile impurities are removed and the ore is changed to oxide is known as. Answer will be B, roasting. Which of the following transitions involves maximum amount of energy? Answer will be D, M2 plus gas gives M3 plus gas. An excess of Na2H2O3 react with aqueous CuSO4 to give. Answer will be D, Na4Cu6H2O3 whole 5. Arrange in the order of stability of enol form of the compounds. Answer will be B, second is more stable than first. Which of the following is not a chromophore? Answer will be D, NH2. If one strand of DNA has the sequence ATC, GTA, or TG, the sequence in the complementary strand would be. Answer will be C, TAG, CAT, AC. Which of the following nitroalkane will not show tautomerism? Answer will be D. Compound X is highly volatile and insoluble in water. Bonding in X is. Answer will be B, covalent. Generally, covalent compounds are volatile and insoluble in water. Ammonia forms the complex ion CuNH3 whole 42 plus with copper ions in alkaline solution but not in acidic solution. The probable reason for this is. Answer will be B. In acidic solution, proton coordinates with ammonia molecules to form NH4 plus ions and NH3 molecules are not available. Okay. The major product of the following reaction is, answer will be A. In a reversible process, delta S system plus delta S surrounding is equal to 0. Answer will be D. The work function phi of some metals is listed below. The number of metals which will show photoelectric effect when light of 300 nanometer wavelength falls on the metal is. Answer will be B 4. What is the name of the compound? Answer will be A aspiro 3,4 octane. एस्पायरो से रिलेटेड पहला क्वेश्चन आया है, ऐसे सिलेबस में है नहीं, एम से शायद इसलिए दे रहा है. Which one of the following regions of atmosphere contains ozone? Answer will be D stratosphere. Identify product Z in the following sequence of chemical reactions. Okay, CH3CN को रिएक्शन करवा रहे हैं CH2H5OH और Na से. X दे रहा है, X को अगर HNO2 और H2 से करा तो Y बन रहा है, और वहाँ यहाँ Y को ऑक्सीजन स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑक्सीडाइजेशन का तो Z बना है. यहाँ पे Z जो होगा हमारा A होगा. CH3COOH यानी एसिटिक एसिड. Which gas will be absorbed on a solid to greater extent? Answer will be B having highest critical temperature. Easily liquefiable gases that is having high critical temperature get absorbed more on a solids. CHOCOOH plus CH2COOR पिपरीडीन हीट कर रहे हैं HOH के साथ. फाइनल प्रोडक्ट एंड द नेम ऑफ द करेक्शन क्या होगा? आंसर विल बी ए HCCOOH और HCCOOH. नो एवेंजिल रिएक्शन. Which of the following molecules is planar? Answer will be D BF3. NF3, NCl3, PS3 have pyramidal geometry, sp3 hybridization, BF3 planar, sp2 hybridization. The type of bond that is most important in maintaining secondary structure of a protein is. Answer will be B hydrogen bonding within the backbone. Is, uh, Ideometric titrations are usually performed in neutral or mildly alkaline pH equal to 8 or weakly acidic solutions. Which statement is not valid for this observation? Answer will be D. Reducing power of reducing agent is increased in strong acidic medium. The stability of +1 oxidation state among aluminum, gallium, indium and thallium increases in the sequence. Answer will be B. सबसे ज़्यादा थैलियम, देन इंडियम, उसके बाद गैलियम, सबसे कम होगा एल्यूमिनियम. Dissolution of 1.5 gram of non-volatile solute, molecular weight equal to 60 in 250 gram of a solvent reduces its freezing point by 0.01 degree Celsius. Find the molar depression constant of the solvent. Answer will be D 0.1. In which of the following oxidation number of chlorine is +5? Answer will be B ClO3 minus. Which of the following is most easily hydrolyzed with aqueous KOH solution? Answer will be D C6H5CHCl CH3. Mixture of 1 gram each of Na2CO3 and NaHCO3 is reacted with 0.1 N HCl. The quantity of 0.1 m HCl required to react completely with the above mixture is. Answer will be D 308 ml. Which is the weakest among the following type of bond? Answer will be D hydrogen bond. Compound A C7H8O is insoluble in water, dilute HCl and aqueous NaHCO3, but it dissolves in dilute NaOH when A is heated with Br2 water. It is converted into a compound C7H5OBr3 rapidly. The structure of A is. Answer will be C. Okay. और ये रहे explanation. The rate constant of the reaction. 2H2O2. Aqueous gives 2H2O liquid plus O2 gas is 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 per minute. At what concentration of H2O2 the rate of reaction will be 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 m mole uh, per second? Answer will be C, 4 m. The most stable radical among the following is? Answer will be D. Which one of the following is the correct plot of lambda m in S centimeters per mole and under root C in mole per liter to the power 1 by 2 KCl solution? Y equal to lambda L, X equal to under root C. Answer will be B. At constant temperature, the equilibrium constant Kp for the decomposition reaction N2O4 gas gives 2NO2 gas is expressed by Kp equal to 4x square P by 1 minus x square, where P equal to pressure, x equal to extent of decomposition. Which one of the following statement is true? Answer will be A. Kp remains constant with change in P and x. A heating coil is immersed in 100 gram sample of H2O liquid at 1 atm and 100 degrees Celsius in a closed vessel. In this heating process, 60% of the liquid is converted to the gaseous form at constant pressure of 1 atm. The densities of liquid and gaseous water under these conditions are 1000 kg per meter cube and 0.60 kg per meter cube respectively. Magnitude of the work done for the process is take 1 atm equal to 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square. Answer will be C, 9994 joule. Isomerism exhibited by CrNH2 whole twice H2O whole twice Cl2 plus R. Answer will be C, geometrical and optical isomerism. The conjugate base of H2PO4 minus is? Answer will be C, HPO4 2 minus. Last question है chemistry का. Chain isomers of C7H16 is? Answer will be B4. ओके, तो ये सारे थे हमारे केमिस्ट्री क्वेश्चन. अब आते हैं फिजिक्स में. वीडियो को लाइक नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना, और जो नए व्यूअर्स है प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर देना, क्योंकि सारे वीडियो ऐसे ही आते रहेंगे, क्विक रिवीजन वीडियो सारे एनटीए मॉक टेस्ट के. Question of first, the electron in a hydrogen atom makes a transition N1 to N2, where N1 and N2 are the principal quantum numbers of the two states. Assume the Bohr model to be valid. The time period of the electron in the initial state is 8 times that in the final state. The possible values of N1 and N2 are? Answer will be A, N1 equal to 6, N2 equal to 3. The ionization energy of 10 time ionized sodium atom is? Answer will be C, 13.6 into 11 square electron volt. A small block of mass capital M moves with velocity 5 meter per second towards another block of same mass capital M placed at distance of 2 meter on a rough horizontal surface. Coefficient of friction between the block and ground is 0.25. The collision between the two blocks is elastic. The separation between the blocks when both of them come to rest is G equal to 10 meter per second square. Answer will be A, 3 meter. Two identical spheres P and Q lie on a smooth horizontal circular grooves at opposite ends of a diameter. P is projected along the groove and at the end of time t impinges on Q. If E is the coefficient of restitution, the second impact will occur after shortest time of. Answer will be D, 2t by E. A stone of mass 1 kg is tied at one end of a string of length 1 meter. It is whirled in a vertical circle of constant speed of 4 meter per second. The tension in the string is 6 Newton. When the stone is at G equal to 10 meter per second स्क्वायर लेना है यहाँ पे. आंसर हमारा ए होगा, टॉप ऑफ द सर्किल. A magnet of dipole moment 2 2 2 ampere meter square is deflected through 30 degree from magnetic meridian. The required deflecting torque is BH यहाँ पे लेना है 0.4 इंटू 10⁻⁴ टेस्ला. आंसर हमारा ए होगा 0.4 इंटू 10⁻⁴ न्यूटन मीटर. A metal bridge is used to determine the resistance of an unknown wire by measuring the balance point length L. If the wire is replaced by another wire of same material but with double the length and half the thickness, the balancing point is expected to be. Answer will be C 8L. All the edges of a block with parallel faces are unequal. Its largest edge is twice its shortest edge. The ratio of the maximum to the minimum resistance between parallel faces is. Answer will be B4. If V and U are electric potential and energy density respectively at a distance r from a positive point charge, then which of the following graphs is correct? Answer will be C. The minimum value of effective capacitance that can be obtained by combining three capacitors of capacitances 1 picofarad, 2 picofarad and 4 picofarad each. Answer will be A 4 by 7 picofarad. A coil of wire of radius r has 600 turns and self-inductance of 108 millihenry. The self-inductance of a coil with the same radius and 500 turns each. Answer will be 75 millihenry. A low loss transformer has 230 volt applied to the primary and gives 4.6 volt in the secondary. The secondary is connected to a load with which draws 5 ampere of current. The current in ampere in the primary is. Answer will be A 0.1. If the radius of earth is r, then the height h at which the value of g becomes 1/4 will be. Answer will be B capital R. The depth d at which the value of acceleration due to gravity becomes 1 by n times the value of the earth's surface is. R equal to radius of earth. Answer will be C d equal to r into n minus 1 by n. The spectral energy distribution of the sun has a maximum at 4753 angstrom if the temperature of a star for which. इस क्वेश्चन को फिर से देखते हैं. The spectral energy distribution of the sun has a maximum at 4753 angstrom if the temperature of the sun is 6050 Kelvin. The temperature of the star for which this maximum is at 9506 angstrom is. Answer will be A 3025 Kelvin. Thus, for an adiabatic process, the relation between U, P and V for an ideal gas is E equal to 2 plus 3 PV. The gas is. Answer will be C, neither monoatomic nor diatomic. The pressure P, volume V and temperature T of a uh, gas in the jar A and the other gas in the jar B at pressure 2P, volume V by 4 and temperature 2T, then the ratio of the number of molecules in the jar A and B will be. Answer will be D 4:1. A rectangular loop carrying a current I is situated near a long straight wire such that the wire is parallel to one of the side of the loop and is the plane of the loop. If the steady current is I is established in the wire as shown in the figure, the loop will. Answer will be C, move towards the wire. और ये जो क्वेश्चन है पहले भी रिपीट कर चुका है. A magnetic needle lying parallel to a magnetic field required W units of work to turn it through 60 degree. The torque required to maintain the needle in this position will be. Answer will be A under root 3 W. A body covers 2 by 5th of the total distance with speed v1 and 3 by 5th with v2. The average speed of the body will be. Answer will be A 5 v1 V2 by 3 V1 plus 2 V2. From a 10-meter high building, a stone A is dropped and simultaneously another identical stone B is thrown horizontally with an initial speed of 5 meters per second. Which one of the following statements is true? Answer will be B. Both stones A and B will reach the ground simultaneously. The force on a particle of mass 10 gram is 10 I cap plus 5 j cap Newton. If it starts from rest at the origin, what would be its position at time t equal to 5 seconds? Answer will be A 1500 I cap plus 6250 j cap meter. An elevator and its load have a total mass of 800 kg. The elevator is originally moving downwards at 10 meters per second. It slows down to a stop with constant acceleration in a distance of 25 meters. Find the tension T in the supporting cable while the elevator is being brought to rest. Take G equal to 10 meters per second square. Answer will be C 9600 Newton. The half-life of tritium is 12.5 years. What mass of tritium of initial mass 64 mg will remain undecayed after 50 years? Answer will be D 4 mg. The half-life of U-92-238 against alpha decay is 4.5 into 10 to the power 9 years. Calculate the activity of 1 gram sample of 92-238U. Answer will be C 1.235 into 10 to the power 4 dps. A tunnel is made across the earth of radius r passing through its center. A ball is dropped from a height h in the tunnel. Height h is very small. The motion will be periodic with time period. Answer will be B 2 pi under root r by g plus 4 under root 2h by g. Two equal masses hung from two massless springs of a spring constants k1 and k2. They have equal maximum velocity when executing simple harmonic motion. The ratio of their amplitudes is answer will be D k2 by k1 to the power 1 by 2. An Earth orbiting satellite has a solar energy collecting panel with total area 5 meters square. If solar radiations are perpendicular and completely absorbed, the average force associated with the radiation pressure is solar constant equal to 1.4 k w m minus 2. Answer will be C 2.33 into 10 to the power minus 5 Newton. The figure shows variation of photocurrent with anode potential for a photosensitive surface for three different radiations. Let IA, IB and IC be the intensities and VA, VB and VC be the frequencies for the curves A, B and C respectively. Then answer will be A, VA equal to VB and I is not equal to IB. A uniform cylinder of length L and mass capital M having cross-sectional area A is suspended with its length vertical from a fixed point by a massless spring of constant K such that it is half submerged in the liquid of density sigma in the equilibrium position. The extension of a spring x naught in equilibrium position is answer will be C mg by K into 1 minus La sigma by 2m. The spring balance A reads 2 kg with a block of mass small m suspended from it. A balance B reads 5 kg when a beaker with liquid is put on the pan of the balance. The two balances are now so arranged that the hanging mass is inside the liquid in a beaker as shown in the figure. Answer will be C. The balance A will read less than 2 kg and B will read more than 5 kg. A biconvex lens of focal length 15 cm is in front of a plane mirror. The distance between the lens and the mirror is 10 cm. A small object is kept at a distance of 30 cm from the lens. The final image is answer will be B real and at a distance of 16 cm from the mirror. A concave mirror is placed on a horizontal table with its axis directed vertically upwards. Let O be the pole of the mirror and C its center of the curvature. A point object is placed at C. It has a real image also located at C, a condition called auto-collimation. If the mirror is now filled with water, the image will be. Answer will be D, real and located at a point between C and O. A uniform cube of mass m and age a moves on a horizontal surface along the positive x-axis with an initial velocity v0. Answer will be C. During motion, the normal direction shifts towards positive x-axis from the center of mass. A coin of mass 4.8 kg and radius 1 meter is rolling on a horizontal surface without sliding with an angular velocity 600 radian per minute. The total kinetic energy of the coin is answer will be A 360 joule. For the circuit shown in the figure, answer will be यहाँ होगा B. Current through general diode is 9 milliampere. A germanium specimen is doped with aluminum. The concentration of acceptor atom is approx 10 to the power 21 atoms per meter cube. Given that the intrinsic concentration of electron hole pairs is approximately equal to 10 to the power 19 10 to the power 19 meter cube, the concentration of electrons in the specimen is answer will be A 10 to the power 17 per meter cube. The potential energy U between two atoms in a diatomic molecule as a function of the distance x between atom has been shown in the adjoining figure. The atoms are answer will be B attracted when x lies between B and C and are repelled when x lies between A and B. In the relation dy by dx equal to 2 omega sine omega t plus phi naught, the dimensional formula for omega 2 t plus phi naught is answer will be dm0 l0 t0. In Young's double slit experiment, two wavelengths lambda 1 equal to 780 nanometer and lambda 2 equal to 520 nanometer are used to obtain interference fringes. If the nth bright band due to lambda 1 coincides with n plus 1th bright band due to lambda 2, then the value of n is answer will be C 2. Resolving power of telescope increases when answer will be A. Wavelength of light decreases. Two periodic waves of intensities I1 and I2 pass through a region at the same time in the same direction. The sum of the maximum and minimum intensities is answer will be D 2 I1 plus I2. 2 into I1 plus I2. A car is moving towards a high cliff. The driver sounds a horn frequency F. The reflected sound heard by the driver has frequency 2F. If V is the velocity of the sound, then the velocity of the car in the same velocity units will be. Answer will be B V by 3. A small object of mass of 100 gram moves in a circular path at a given instant. Velocity of the object is 10 I cap meter per second and acceleration is 20 I cap plus 10 j cap meter per second square. At this instant of time, the rate of change of kinetic energy of the object is answer will be D 20 kg per meter square per second, 20 kg meter square per second square. यूनिफॉर्म लास्ट क्वेश्चन है यहाँ फिजिक्स का हमारा वीडियो का भी यूनिफॉर्म फोर्स ऑफ 4 न्यूटन एक्ट्स ऑन अ बॉडी ऑफ मास 10 kg फॉर अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ 2 मीटर द काइनेटिक एनर्जी अक्वायर्ड बाय द बॉडी इज आंसर विल बी C 8 जूल. ओके, तो ये सारे थे हमारे फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री बायो के NTA मॉक टेस्ट 91 के क्वेश्चंस. वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना और जो नए व्यूअर्स हैं प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर देना क्योंकि ऐसे सारे वीडियो मॉक टेस्ट के आते रहेंगे और जो पीछे जो भी वीडियो बचे हुए मॉक टेस्ट के वो भी सारे आ जाएंगे. ओके, और जिन्हें भी मॉक टेस्ट का PDF चाहिए सारे, तो आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिए गए व्हाट्सएप नंबर से कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं या कॉल कर सकते हैं। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग, हैव अ नाइस डे।